Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to blur your background on iOS phone, or rather, for your Facetime, messaging app, Instagram, WhatsApp, anything that has a selfie portrait mode, okay? That being said, you got me on the first sentence right there. Since iOS updated for iOS 15, making sure let's check iOS version, because this is only applicable for iOS 15. So for all of those, I think iPhone 8 below or iPhone 7 below, that aren't able to update their phone up to 15, or correct me if I'm wrong, or rather, they're due for an upgrade, right? And with this method only available for iOS 15 and above. That being said, as you can see, we have iOS 16.6, so make sure you update your end right now before proceeding, okay? The thing I'm mentioning right now is if you click on your camera right there, and then choose your selfie portrait or your front face camera, simply click on portrait. I want to show you guys this one right here. Now with this, when you click on this letter F, or what do you call this? This F icon right there, click on that one. Once you click on it, simply lower your depth and the blur version will apply. Basically, that's how you do it. And then how to enable it on FaceTime or other messaging app. Scroll down your screen right here. As you can see, there is new two options right there. As right now, I cannot clearly see it because technically I'm screen recording, but right here there should be a voice isolation and mic isolation, and right here there should be a video camera isolation. Make sure the portrait mode is on, and then that should do it. FaceTime, anything that has a rear camera will be enabled properly on the portrait mode, okay? That being said, that's how you enable blur background on your iPhone. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.